Hey, hi all. In this video, we will discuss about Salesforce CPQ. So, first of all, what is CPQ? CPQ is nothing but a configure price quote in configure. We just do the customization of products and services based on their features. In the pricing, the process of calculating pricing based on base prices of the products and whatever discount or an additional discount is given to that particular product or to that particular product feature which we have. Then we will create a quote. So Q stands for quote. Using the information acquired in the previous phases, we create quotes, and once this particular quote has been finalized, it is approved by the end user, we just create order for that particular quote lines, and accordingly we proceed with that. Next, this is the life cycle of CPQ, Salesforce CPQ. So the CPQ process consists of first is this configuration. So we will just configure our products, what should be the quantity, and that particular product is a bundled product or it is an individual entity, or it is an individual product. For an example, if we are buying a CPU, then it will have a motherboard, a processor, a RAM. So that will be the features of that particular product, that is CPQ. And individually, the processor, the RAM, and the motherboard, they are also individual products, but they are featured for that particular CPQ product. So in this case, that type of products are known as bundled products, which means that whenever you will buy that product, you have to buy, or you have to configure that product in such a way that you have to buy the RAM, motherboard, and the processor for that particular CPU. Then it comes the pricing thing. In pricing thing, it can have additional discounts, or it can have additional additional discounts, or the what the base price is for that particular product. And according to the customer, you might have a business rule. According to that, you want to give the discounts on pricing of that particular products, so that you can write in the pricing model. Then we have a quote. So on the product configuration and on the basis of the pricing, we will create a quote. So the quote will have all the details, like what all products are there, and then what is the quantity of them, and then what is the discount that has been applied, what was the base price, what will be the net cost to it, and what the end user has to pay. So that all the things will be in the quote. Then we will have a general proposal. We will send it to the user, then we will negotiate on that. Once it is finalized and it is approved by the customer, that is the stage. Then we will create orders for all the quote lines, for all the quote lines, and then accordingly it will, like, if it is a what type of product it was, if and what type of service we are giving to that particular end user, that counts there. If it is an subscription based product, then how many after how many months it will be renewed, and all that things will come into picture, which we will see in the upcoming videos of this Salesforce CPQ series. Next is the data model, that is CPQ data model, which we have in Salesforce. So there are two things. One, we have Salesforce. You have a Salesforce org. For an example, this is your Salesforce org, and you want to use the CPQ objects, or you want to do some CPQ thing, like the product configuration, and then all that CPQ thing you want to do in your this Salesforce org. Then you have to just install one CPQ package from App Exchange. This is the one thing you can do if you have an org. Otherwise, you can create a CPQ org which will have that package installed, and all that permissions will be assigned to that particular administrator. You can just go to the trailhead and you can check for the CPU basic. In that you have a module where you have to create a particular developer or for Salesforce CPQ. So basically, we have some of the objects from Salesforce that are highlighted in this great background, that is account, opportunity, product, that is nothing but opportunity, line item, that is a junction object between opportunity and product. Then we have price book, then we have contract and asset. So these are the products which are from Salesforce. These are the products which you will get from the Salesforce CPQ package which you have installed in your org. That is quote, subscription, quote document, quote line, then product option. So this are related with like one account can have many opportunities, and one opportunity can have many opportunity product, that is nothing but opportunity line items. And then one opportunity product can have multiple quote lines. Quote lines will consist of product and product options. Product will come from will have a price book. If the product doesn't have entry in the price book, then that particular product will not be visible in that particular edit lines. So this is a basic data model which we have in Salesforce CPQ. This There are two type of objects. Like one are the Salesforce objects, one are the CPQ objects. We When we go for the CPQ, then we have to work with both the objects. Like it's not like we can go to the CPQ objects and all our journey will, or all our CPQ process will start and end in the CPQ objects. It consists of Salesforce as well as CPQ objects. For an example, we have an existing account which is looking for a product. Like the account can be ABC Limited is the account name, and they are looking for an product. We have created an opportunity, then we have created one quote for that. In that quote we have, in the quote line we have created the quote, then we have created the quote line. In that quote line we have added all the product and all that stuff, whatever is the need of that customer. It is attached with a price book, or they have an entry in the price book. So this particular things will be checked. Then we can have product options for that, like what in that particular laptop, how much processor or how much RAM you want. In that manner we can have product options for them. Then we will create a code document, and from the code document they will get the approval or the finalization of that particular product, whether the end user wants that particular product, or that particular quotation is what they are looking for. In that manner then we will create the orders, and then it will be contracted in that manner. So this is the whole and soul of CPQ data model. So that's all for this video. Thank you. And in upcoming videos, we will see like how we can configure products, product bundles, and what is the function of different type of fields which is on product. So stay tuned. Thank you.